Now we're going to make some other color mixtures with other colors. Okay, so I'm going to go I'm going to get my brush wet, and this is Alizarin Crimson, I do believe. It's Red Rose Deep. Make sure that's good and soupy, and you want plenty of pigment. I'm going to go with Ultramarine again. And I'm going to go with Hansa Yellow Deep. Better mark that. And Hansa Yellow Deep. Now, we're just going to let those mix and mingle. And now we're going to do something. We're doing. I'm going to use my old standby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Alizarin Crimson. I love Alizarin Crimson. Makes the best. Let's go with Cobalt Blue, I do believe. And let's go with the plain yellow again. This is Da Vinci Yellow. Red already found its way. You have to be fairly quick on this on paper. I did not have enough blue down there. Okay, now I'm going to do Let's do Alizarin again. I need to write those others down, don't I? And let's use one of our greens. Let's use Hooker. Just using 2 colors, complementary colors, and seeing what kind of a, you add more or less of the other. Excuse me. But there is your grayish color. Now, alizarin tends toward the blue, and Hooker's, I don't know for sure. I think it's cooler than it is warm. So this is alizarin, and this is Hooker. And this is alizarin, and this is Da Vinci, and this is ultramarine. Nope, that's cobalt. Now, is that amazing to you to see how these colors interact? Let's do raw sienna. That's our yellow. Let's use alizarin again. I told you I like alizarin. And blue, let's go back to cobalt. Raw sienna is similar to yellow ochre, except yellow ochre is opaque and raw sienna is not. And I pulled that right from the center, sort of. And you can pull that from different areas to change the color. Let's see what I've got on here. Okay, write your colors down. This is raw, cobalt, and alizarin. I think I could probably squeeze one more. Let's do raw umber. And let's do ultramarine again. And let's do cad red. Now, the raw umber in this case serves as our yellow. That's why the blue and the umber together make a greenish brown. Alright, let me label those. This is raw umber, this is ultramarine, and this is cad red. Had to stop and think. So there you have it. Interesting little color mixtures. Alrighty. See you guys next time.